Hello and welcome to Plaky. Ever wish you could see your projects differently, get a crystal clear picture of what's to do, in progress, or done? That's exactly what our powerful chart view lets you do. It transforms your board data into interactive, easy to understand visuals. Ready to see your work from a whole new perspective? Let's jump right in. Chart view lets you visualize your projects and tasks using dynamic, interactive charts. It's perfect for grouping your work by specific fields, like status, team member, or tags, to instantly see how things compare. Charts transform your data into instant insights, helping you quickly see progress, spot issues, and make smarter decisions that everyone can understand. Plaky offers two clear chart types to help you do this: the pie chart and bar chart. It's simple to add a new chart view to any of your boards. Here's how to create one. First, let's open your board. Then, let's click the gear icon next to your views. Select Create New View. Click Choose View Type. Select Chart. Enter a clear view name, for example, Team Progress Chart, and click Create. Your new chart will appear with the Settings menu option, ready for customization. By default, it's a pie chart titled Chart Title, which you can easily rename. Let's look at how your data comes to life in each chart type. Imagine a delicious pie, where each slice represents a group of values for your different items and sub-items. The pie chart shows the count of your projects and tasks, grouped by specific fields, like status, tag, person, or even by group, and then divided into colorful slices. Each slice represents a part of your data, and the size of the slice shows how big that part is compared to the total. On the right, a legend shows you each slice's label, its total value, which is the number of items or sub-items, and the percentage it contributes to the whole pie. When you hover over a slice, it'll highlight and enlarge it slightly. A tooltip will pop up with the name, total count, and percentage. By default, if your board has status, person, or tag fields, your pie chart will prioritize grouping by 1. Status, 2. Person, 3. Tag. If none of these exist, it defaults to grouping by item creator. For example, an IT department could use a pie chart to visualize the spread of work on tickets by status, instantly seeing how many are open, in progress, or resolved. The bar chart. Think of a cityscape where each building is filled with groups of values of your items and sub-items. The bar chart displays your tasks and subtasks grouped by custom fields, and then divided into columns or bars. Data is represented using X and Y axes. The X-axis lists all of your fields, or item groups, while the Y-axis counts the total number of items in each field. When you hover over a bar, the bar brightens and a tooltip appears above it, showing the group name, total count, and the percentage. For instance, a marketing team might use a bar chart to compare campaign tasks grouped by team member, easily seeing the task count assigned to each person, or even grouped by tag to understand the distribution of different campaign types. Your chart is your canvas. You can customize almost everything using the settings panel on the right side of your chart. Let's explore what you can tweak. Charts help you visualize your data by organizing your items and sub-items based on different categories. You can group your data by the item creator, to see how many items each team member has created, by group, to understand the number of items within each board group, like marketing or engineering. The status, to view items based on their status labels, for example, to do, in progress, or done. You can group by person to count items assigned to specific team members. And you can group by tag, which groups items by their assigned tags. The way you select your grouping depends on your chart type. For pie charts, use the Group By drop-down menu. For bar charts, use the X-axis drop-down menu. If you switch from a pie chart to a bar chart, your grouping will automatically carry over. For instance, if your pie chart was grouped by status, your bar chart's X-axis will also show data by status. Sort By lets you arrange your chart values using ascending or descending order. By default, it'll be descending. You can edit the label color. Charts inherit default label colors, but you can customize individual label colors right here. You can include empty values. Toggle this on or off to show or hide items with no relevant data. For example, if you're grouping by person. Turning this on will show a slice or a bar for unassigned tasks. You can include sub-items. Toggle this on or off to include sub-items in your counts. This gives you a total workload view, combining main tasks and subtasks. Easily focus your chart by applying filters. Just click the filter button, choose your criteria, like creation date or item group, and save in this view. Filters will also apply to sub-items automatically. Your chart will update automatically every 15 minutes, or instantly when you change board data like adding items or adjusting settings. Need fresh data right away? Just click the refresh button or reload the page. Plaky also keeps a clear record of chart activity in your board's activity log. And that's your comprehensive guide to the chart view in Plaky. Now you know how to create, customize, and leverage interactive details to visualize your data, spot trends, and make informed decisions. Go ahead, transform your raw data into clear, actionable insights.